In this tutorial, we will learn about AND if statement with if. AND if is given to AND the if statement. I am repeating, AND if statement or AND if is given to AND the if statement. It is generally used when the user wants to add multiple statements to be executed. Right? All the statements must be written within if and if statements. Let's understand with these examples. Again, I have taken three examples. Example number 1, numeric variable x is equal to 100. Example 2, input enter flower name. This is string variable. Example 3, enter the first number, number 1, numeric variable. Input enter the second number, number 2, numeric variable 2. So this is I am printing for the understanding purpose on the output screen. So print example 1. Okay. So x is equal to 100. If x mod 2 means it will give remainder. Remainder means 100 divided by 2. If 100 divided by 2 is equal to 0, then even numbers are divisible by 2. This is commented. You can see here. This is commented. Then what is that? Print, then print even number. Right? And then AND if. This is the if statement. We are ending if. So this is the first example to understand how we write AND if statement with if. So this is if and we are AND if. Okay. Now we have to proceed with the second example. Variable, string variable, flower. If we enter, because we have to input, the program will ask enter flower name. If we enter rose or we enter rose small, then print flower name is correct rose. And then if and if. Number 3, example 3, we enter, program will ask enter 2 number, then we will do the comparison, then print number 1 is greater. If number 1 is greater, because we are doing it here relational operator, we have used the relational operator, then number 1 is greater than, else print number 2 is here, it is greater number. Okay. And then AND if. So these are the three examples. We will execute it and see. Okay. So first it is asking, because for the first example we have already defined the numeric, assign this value to numeric, enter the flower name. If I enter rose, okay, and then it will ask for example 3 number 1. I enter 1001. Enter number 2 999. Then it print, because here we have 100, so it is divisible by 2, so even number. Flower number is correct rose, we have entered rose, and 1001 is greater number. Okay. Now we will see it differently. Again I am executing it. Or let me enter here 101. flower name. Last time we enter capital, this time small. Here now this time we will enter 99 and 100. So example 1, because we have not given any condition, so it is fail. Okay. And for example 2, flower name is correct. Rose. 100 is greater number. Because there is no second condition. Right. So it is not printing. It is not satisfying this condition. Okay. So this way we use AND if statement with if to end the if statement. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you very much.